use expressions of certainty or uncertainty to talk about issues related to sustainable development to answer the question. What is the question? What is Dennis not sure about? What I'm sure about is that Dennis is not. Have you heard about developments for all association? Certainly, Francois says. It's a well-known association with a good reputation. Dennis, some of my colleagues believe it can play a positive role in our small town. Francois, I'm doubtful about those biased judgments because the fruits of its participation in many projects in various African countries are evident to everyone. By the way, I've heard that it's possible it will open its first office in our town. Dennis, I heard the same thing, but I'm not sure about that. Dennis isn't sure that Development for All Association will open an office in their town. Our lesson, we said, is about what do we use certainty and uncertainty. Any idea? Okay, let's see. We express certainty when we are sure that something will or will not happen in the future. We express uncertainty when we are not sure if something will happen in the future. So, uncertainty. Some time to read the dialogue, to discover the expressions. Okay, so let's get, what are the, hi Francois, have you heard about development, etc.? Certainly. What does it express? I'm doubtful. What does it express again? Shall we check our answers? Okay. I'm doubtful about, and I'm not sure about that. What see? And expressions of uncertainty. Of course, from the dialogue, or if you know any other expressions, you just fill in the table with. Checking our answers. Expressions of certainty, expressions of uncertainty. So certainty, certainly, I'm certain that, I'm sure that, I'm positive that, I'm quite certain that, I have no doubt about, I'm absolutely certain, it is crystal clear that, no one can deny that, I'm convinced that, I don't doubt that, there is no doubt that, and well, of course, and you can add, I'm sure. Expressions of uncertainty, I'm doubtful that, I'm not sure, I doubt it, I'm really sure, I don't know for sure, it's very unlikely that, and there's some doubt about it, I'm a bit uncertain about it, and I don't believe that. Okay. Doubt if rural areas can be infected by the coronavirus. Coronavirus again. I'm quite certain that Germany will find a cure for the coronavirus before the end of the year. Of course, we will be a danger again next year. So we are going to match with expressing certainty and expressing uncertainty. Which of these express certainty and which sentences or statements express uncertainty? Shall we check our answers? For example, we have here, I doubt. Go ahead. I doubt if rural areas can be infected by the coronavirus. Of course, it's expressing uncertainty. Great. Well done. I'm sure that the coronavirus will be defeated soon. Expressing certainty. Very good. I'm quite certain that Germany will find a cure for the coronavirus before the end of the year, expressing certainty. Well done. Excellent. Why expressing certainty? Because we have here, I am quite certain. I don't think the coronavirus will be a danger again next year. This is expressing uncertainty, of course. Air pollution is more dangerous for the children. Susan? Yes, I'm quite sure it causes many illnesses for them. What is this? Certainty or uncertainty? Shall we correct? Great! It's expressing certainty. You're doing great, students. Good. 2. John, are you sure all the garbage is easy to destroy? Steve, no, I doubt it. Some garbage like plastics is difficult to destroy. So we have here, are you sure? And I doubt it. I doubt it. What does it express? Uncertainty. Number 3, do you think there will be an economic crisis this year? Well, I don't think so. Some specialists say so, but no one is sure about that. What does this express? Certainty or uncertainty? Shall we check? Great! Uncertainty. Why? Because here we have no uncertainty, probability, and opinion. Here you have probability and opinion. We have already seen these lessons before, or you have seen these lessons before in your class. Dennis, do you think the measures taken to solve our social problems may lead to good results? Francois, I'm not sure about that because some measures aren't clear for me to expect any improvement. What is this? Any idea? Great! It's uncertainty. Why? Because we have I'm not sure. Journalist, any comment about world climate changes? Greenpeace representative, well, world climate changes might lead to serious economic and social problems in our continent. What is this? Might lead, might. Great, probability, well done. Journalist, number 3, what can you say, sir, about the ongoing negotiations with the EU? A. Minister, well, I'm quite sure that our negotiations will yield good results in the few coming months. What for that? Yes? Good. It expresses certainty. Certainty or uncertainty. Do you think our government will solve the problem of illiteracy soon? A government official? Well, any idea? How can we fill in this blank? Good. We have achieved all our objectives for this decade. David, are you sure the world will not change after the coronavirus outbreak? Again, this coronavirus. Okay, Sally, expression of certainty or uncertainty. I'm not really sure about that. I guess many things will change after this terrible health crisis. Situation number 1, fighting pollution is a big step towards achieving sustainable development. Are you sure or not sure? Yes? Any idea? Sorry. Certainly, pollution is a threat to the environmental stability. It can cause dangerous disruptions. Very good. Illiteracy doesn't play an important role in the welfare of society. Yes, and doubtful that illiteracy doesn't play a big role in the welfare of society. On the contrary, high rates of illiteracy hinders progress in any society.